Good morning. Di man gani ko nimo palit tag taho. Ooh, there's hazelnut mix. Finally, it's open. Good morning. So today's breakfast is so merong nagbenta sa labas ng suman balanghoy. Messy hair. Say good morning.
Good morning guys. I went Sando. And why is my Sando screen? Guess what I saw is a Brachiosaurus.
Wow. You have to eat na. Go eat.
Yum yum.
You want to try just one bite? Big bite. You don't like it? Doesn't like it.
I spit.
Nagka.
Still hot.
What?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Look at my brother also.
So we're reusing the jars from Army Navy's Liberty.
Ano gan tanim ni ka?
Ito lungagan. Di man gani ko nimo palit tag taho.
Careful.
Cause baby like ooh,
Ay,
it's all in the flower light. The sun goes around and stay. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like ooh, it's all in the flower light.
Ooh, so we want to drink coffee again. There's hazelnut mix. Oh, blueberry.
Double mango.
Sweet Americano. We're just going to the Kanto to buy bread. So I'm gonna ride hubby's motorcycle. Kano sa kulas nakasakay ani ni ka? Okay, let's do this. Let's ride. So, let's try Starbucks gingerbread latte. I ordered gingerbread latte, tall, without whipped cream. So, ito ang kanilang holiday special edition. So, let's try it out. Ooh. So, let's smell it first. Ang bango. It smells like Biscoff. Yun talaga, basta gingerbread. Ang nasa isip ko talaga is Biscoff. Coffee of the day. Hot. Ang order ko, no whipped cream. Para medyo less sinful. Let me see nga. I want to see. Oh, okay. Hello vlog. So today, I'm trying to figure out this dinosaur bubble blower. You know naman that my kids likes bubbles. So we have 2 bubble solutions. It needs 1 battery. So the bubbles supposed to go out here. We need a star driver. Oh my god. I'll be back. After 48 hours, hindi ko pa rin ma-open. Finally, it's open. I need AA battery. The sad thing is we don't have batteries. So maybe tomorrow we're gonna do it. Go to Kuya, run with Kuya, scooter. Look up. Sky. Turn around. Turn. Yes. Are you in a good mood now? What's that?
Nagkasundo po ang mga gobyerno ng Pilipinas.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Why are you sitting here all alone? Listen to the same sad song.